Got a new shipment in. Do like a mini review on this statue. It's this Hulk Maquette I got from China, and it comes in a gigantic box. Go ahead and slice it open, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is interesting. I just I open it up and it's got this big foam half piece on it on the top, and then you can see the Hulk down in there. He's got a plastic bag on his head and a bunch of foam in there. And I don't know why they did that, because I mean, I guess it could snap if it got hit certain ways, but it's, yeah, I guess it's like a harder type of plastic. It's not really rubbery, but yeah, you can tell that that part is hollow at least. So let me go ahead and dig him out. I'll be back. Okay, so I got him out. Had to take him out into the garage and blow like all of the little foam balls off of it as much as I could. But see, I'm gonna take this bag off. I'm gonna go take him to the table and get him some better light, and then I'll do like I'll show you the bottom and more detail and all that. Okay, so I'm back. Got this Hulk statue on the table. I went ahead and weighed it. It was exactly about 10 pounds. 10 pounds and a few ounces from the bottom of the base to the top of his head. It is 22 3/4 inches. And then if you want to go from like his front foot to the top of his head, he's a little bit over 19, I'd say about 19 3/8 of an inch. The depth on this base is pretty deep. It depends on which way you face them. If you have them facing like straight forward, that's probably the longest. And so looking at 17 inches, and the width, see, about 13 inches. And then this one, I believe the scale on this one is about 1/10 or 1/9, so I just put it next to it so you can kind of get an idea for how big this maquette is. I'll go ahead and get some close-ups. Spin it around. See the base. Oh yeah, I'll show you the bottom. The bottom of it just says Crazy Toys Hulk Maquette Avengers. And it's like you can take that off if you want. It's got a little pipe under here. The paint could be better, but you know, you can customize that. One thing that I didn't expect is these big red polka dots. They look stupid, but they're all like that. You know, they were trying to, I guess, the easiest way to mimic the real ones. Kind of got some dots in it, but they're not that big, of course. So they just, I guess this is the easy route, just to put these. But you know, you can paint over those. That's what I'm gonna do. And it doesn't come off the base. You'd have to do some work to get them off. The hair's got like some brown highlights in it, but you can change that if you don't like that. And then the teeth aren't painted that good. You could put a wash on that, make it look better. And if you're interested, I will link in the description where I got this for the best price I found. If you want to help out the channel, you can use that link.